Hi everybody, welcome back to Bubble Pop Kids. We have such a fun and magical show for you today. We have another magical microwave. And here it is in front of me. This is my new one. It is amazing. It looks so real. It's just a toy, but I think it's gonna give us some amazing surprises. In this video, we also have some Jupiter juice. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Jupiter juice, but it is so cool. It's kind of like slime, but it's really cold and squishy. It has the brightest colors. Amazing. So we have pink, yellow, kind of like a purplish color, orange, and green. I have a crazy idea. What do you guys say we pour the Jupiter juice, put it into our magical microwave, and see what surprises we get? Let's do this. Doing this, and we're starting with the yellow Jupiter juice. Wow, this is a really big can. It's super heavy. Would you guys look at this? Woo! It is freezing cold. I don't know if it's cold on Jupiter, but it feels so slimy. Feels like it was in the refrigerator. Wow, and this Jupiter juice actually smells like lemonade. Oh, it smells so good. And it feels like it is just freezing cold. I just do not understand it. It's so amazing. So we can just play around with it for a little. Ooh, it makes funny noises. This is such a huge piece too. What do you guys say we put it in this little plastic cup, boop, and pop it into the microwave. Here it is, our sticky slimy Jupiter juice, the yellow one. You're gonna close this and start it. Woo, looks like we got a jam. What is this? It's yellow. It is... Whoa, we got some emoji toy and chocolates. Oh, little bag of candy and toys. This looks awesome. Look at this bag. It's like a cute little lunch bag. And it says Milky Center chocolates and an emoji toy inside. Oh, this is so amazing. There's 36 little different emojis to collect. Oh, they even have little hearts. Let's open it. So I opened up the bag and we get these 4 little chocolates. Let's try them. Oh, and they're so cute. They even have little emoji faces on them. It says a Milky Center chocolate. Wow, it's gonna taste good. Let's test it. Ooh, that is delicious. It tastes like a milkshake. This is like a dark chocolate or a milk chocolate on the inside. It's got like a milky white chocolate. So good and creamy. That is so yummy. So we get a few more of those, and here is our little blind bag toy. It contains 1 emoji. Which emoji are we gonna get? Oh, look at this one, you guys. I think we got a little poo.
Hi, I'm a happy poo-poo emoji.
This is such a funny one. I thought we would get like a little yellow guy, but we got a brown poo-poo. It's got a money sign for an eye. It's got some pink lip gloss. And it's kind of like a light brown on the front, but the back or the top is like a little dark. Looks so funny. Kind of looks like chocolate.
Chocolate? Who you calling chocolate? I'm a poo.
Looks like we got this one right here. That is just one of the funniest ones there is. I like it. Moving along, onto the green Jupiter juice. I loved our last surprise. It was super sweet and a fun little toy. Let's see what this one brings us. Pop the top. Boop. Ooh, this one's slimy. It looks like green goblin slime. Woo. And it is so cold. I don't know why these are so cold, but they feel really good on a hot summer day. Ah! Alrighty, I had enough fun playing with this sticky slime. I love it. I'm just gonna pour it into our cup and see what we get. Hopefully it's something really good. We are ready to pop it in there. Close the door. buzzer is up. What did we get? You guys, we got Finding Dory, a huge blind box. Here we go, our Finding Dory Mystery Mini. I've never opened one of these before. I've opened the little blind bags, but this thing is huge. There's gonna be a good toy in here. Here's all the different characters to collect. Let's pop this baby open and hopefully we'll get Dory or Nemo. The plastic. Pop open the box. And get our little blind bag. Ooh, it's actually a big blind bag. Who is this? Whoa! Who is this guy? Kind of looks like Hank, but it's like a grayish color. Let's look at the box. We have number 1 of 24. And I do not know who this is. It does look like Hank, but Hank is supposed to be red. Maybe it's one of his friends. If you guys have seen this movie, I haven't seen it yet, and you know who this character is, please leave me a message. I would love to know. Let's just getting started, and we have the pink Jupiter Juice, my favorite color. Hopefully, we're gonna get lucky with this one. It is so neon pink. It looks like hot pink strawberry jam. And this one is super cold too. It's like they had it in the freezer wherever it came from. Boop, let's pop it in. Pour it into our little microwavable cup. Ah, looks like it's ready to cook. And hopefully give us something really good. There's the dinger! What did we get? Ooh, it looks pink. What is this? We got a pink giftum. Oh, look at this cute little gift box. It's got flowers. I love those. And what is this one? Whoa, we got a color-changing lip balm. I guess the pink was super special because it gave us little pink girly treats. We got a little giftum dolly in this cute little pink gift and a color-changing mood lip balm. Oh, it's a little pink piggy. Let's open this one first. So I guess it's supposed to change color. And it's bubblegum flavor. Even better. Look at those googly woogly eyes. See? I always love a good lip balm. This little thing is so funny because it doesn't even look like lipstick or chapstick. It just looks like a little toy. Look at those funny eyes. Got a big piggy nose. Let's pop the top. Whoa, it is blue, you guys. We have a bubblegum scented blue lip balm. It's kind of purpley. Ooh, it feels super smooth. Let's roll this baby up and give it a little smell. Smells lovely. Smells so good, like little gumballs. And I'm just gonna put a little on my hand to see how it changes color. This is supposed to change from like this purplish blue to a light pink. I guess depending on the mood you're in. I don't know, it just looks clear to me, but it doesn't matter if it works or not because I love how smooth it is and this pink little piggy container. That is the cutest. We're moving on to the giftum. Ooh, I have a little pink slime left on my finger. And this is the most adorable, precious little gift box ever. I wish there was like a real present inside. And there's 84 in total to collect. Let's see, which dolly are we gonna get from which different country? Here's our little gifty box. Let's take off this top. Take out our little dolly blind bag. Ooh, look at her. And she's wearing a bathing suit. Let's take her out of here. Find out her name and country. I don't know. She could be from USA, Australia. Maybe she's from England. Let me introduce you to Miss Rachel Angeles from Los Angeles, California, USA. She is a little California girl. She's got her cute little sunglasses, her blonde hair. I love her little bikini and boop, her hair pops off. She is gorgeous.
Toodles! Hi guys! I am Rachel from Los Angeles, California. I love surfing, I love the beach, and I love my green sunglasses.
Let's open up this little gift box and see the scene. Whoa, I am so familiar with these. So here we go. We have this cute little lifeguard stand on the beach. We also have what looks like the Santa Monica Pier and a surfer dude. She is definitely perfect for this setting. Boop, let's pop her in. And there we go, United States, Los Angeles, Rachel Angeles.
We're staying on California, girls.
And you can just pop the little dolly out of there if you want to see the pictures or put her right on the peg. Love this. Let's close her up and put her back in the gifty box. Purple Jupiter juice. Here it is. It's such a cool purple. Kind of looks like neon. Wow. This one reminds me of some grape jelly. Woo! Give you a little pour into our microwavable cup. Get ready to pop this baby in and nuke it. There's the dinger. Let's open and see. Ooh, we got a couple things. First of all, we got a crusty chocolate bar from the grocery gang. I love these. I've opened a couple before, but they are so cool. And we got Shopkins Happy Places. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one to open first? They're both so amazing. How about we go with the chocolate bar? I love these cute little things. And I think these are from the makers of Shopkins. They look so similar. That one kind of reminds me of Cheeky Chocolate. Let's open this baby up. Here is this cute little container. Here is the checklist. Ooh, and we get 2 yellow blind bags. These also look like Shopkins. For the first one, these are cool too because they're super squishy. Whoa, looks like we got kind of a salt and pepper shaker, although it's red and orange. Ooh, I love how squishy they are. Woo! Found it! So from the awful sauces department, they have a whole department for sauces. We get snot and pepper. That is so funny. Look at this one. It's got all that green snot and goo. This one looks like it's gonna sneeze. They are just too awesome. And for our second little grocery, what's it gonna be? There's so many different ones. Ooh, this is purple. Now this one reminds me of Cookie. It really does. It's like a purple little cookie face. Ooh, this kind of feels like slime. Found this one too. So from the Stinky Snacks, we got Cruddy Chip. Oh, and that one looks like Cookie. It's called Pukey Cookie. I guess this is a cruddy chocolate chip one. And our snot and pepper. Love both of these.
Hi guys, I'm super duper cruddy chip. Ha!
Let's just take a crusty chocolate bar container, pop these little groceries in, and save them for later. Boop. Then on to the happy places. These are a lot more cuter than those yucky groceries, and I've opened a couple of these. They are so cute. They're like little kitchen and homewares for the Shopkins. They look like Petkins. I don't know. They're just too cool. Here is our little delivery box. Let's open. We get 1 tile in each of these. Ooh, this is a pink one. And here's our blind bag. There's 3 all connected. See? Oh, what is this? So adorable. There are so many different happy places to collect. It took me a while to find this one, but I found it. So here it is. It matches the picture perfectly. Number 175. Let's look on the list. You guys, it's a little camera. How amazing is that? It looks like a little teddy bear camera. Alright, little pinky camera, we'll put you right on the pink tile and open your 2 other friends. On to our second one here in the middle. What is this? Ooh, it's so tiny. I thought it was empty. Ooh, what is this? Whoa. I almost missed it. It's smaller than my fingernail. Oh, look at this cute little teddy. Ooh, and I found this one right away because it's sitting inside of the camera picture. It is number 181. Let's see what that is. Oh, cute. It's a little photo, kind of like a Polaroid. I am in love with these happy places. And your cute little photo, go sit right inside. Oh, so sad. We're on to the third and final happy place. I could open these all day. Actually, pretty soon I have a show coming up where I open an entire case. Cannot wait for that. What do we have? Ooh, another pink one. I got it! Number 177, and number 177 is, oh, it's a little photo frame. Too cute. I wonder if this fits inside. It does. Look at the little picture. It goes right in there. There's the whole set. We get camera, picture, and photo frame. Orange! Here's our neon orange Jupiter juice. Ooh. Ooh, this may be the slimiest yet. Orange is just as awesome as all the other colors. Bloop. Let's put our cup of jiggly orange juice in the micro, hoping for something really cool. Ding, ding, ding. What is it? Ooh, it's a big one. We got candy. We got some big Sour Patch Kids. Yummy. This is so cool, you guys. I was wanting some candy and we turned out lucky. We got some big Sour Patch Kids in this big cup. I've had regular Sour Patch ones, but not the big ones. Ooh, this is gonna be amazing. They're gonna be so sweet and yummy. Whoa. These are big, all right. Whoa, they're like 5 times the size. It says 2 times bigger, but they're just as big as my finger. Whoa, we get a blue, yellow, green, orange, and my favorite color and flavor, red. Give it a little tasty. Oh, these are just too sour. So sour and sweet and gummy. These are the best candies. Woo! And that red one was delicious. Ooh, I'm gonna eat all of these. I'm only gonna eat a couple now and save some for later. But they are so good. I cannot believe this came out of the orange Jupiter juice. I love that putty slime, but I'll take candy over it any day. Save these for later. Look at all this sugar. Well, everybody, we put all 5 of our Jupiter juice colors into the magical microwave and we got some super cool surprises. But I don't want to finish yet. How about we put some more in for just one last surprise? And since my favorite surprise so far was the lip balm and a cute little gift gem, I'm going for the pink one again. This was lucky. Alright, my Pinky Dinky Doo slime, do not disappoint us. We're going in for a final surprise. Here we go! Let me hold my breath and hope for something amazing. Ooh, we got 2 of them. First one is, I love these. I've never opened one before. A 5 Nights at Freddy's My Moji blind bag. And can you believe this, you guys? We got little Ariel. I was hoping for something good, but I didn't think it would be this good. Whoa. We got a cute little mini toddler doll, Princess Ariel. These are so cute. Oh, look, we can collect all the other princesses. Merida. There's Snow White, Cinderella. Let's take her out of here and get a closer look. Oh, and here she is, our beautiful little toddler Ariel. She's probably about 5 years old here, and she doesn't have her mermaid fin. She's got a cute little party dress with sparkles. I wish I had a dress like that. She's got a little silver crown. She is just too precious for words.
Hi guys, Ariel here. Do you like my sparkly purple party dress? Ooh, it's so pretty.
And now we're going from Disney Princess to some spooky Five Nights at Freddy's. Ooh, look at all these characters. I have to say I'm not too familiar with the show, but I love the way the characters look. Let's see, who are we gonna get here? We got the bear. It doesn't look like he has any eyes. What's going on with that? Spooky! He is a little scary to me and cute at the same time. It's like a teddy bear face. He's got these weird ears, little top hat. I love his smile. Cute little red cheeks. If you guys know who this character is, I would love for you to leave me a comment. I just don't know his name. Woo-wee! And we got some amazing treats today out of this microwave. I am just so shocked. Just a little bit of Jupiter juice gave us so many things. We got some grocery things, some giftums, candy. We had some of these little emoji chocolates and this cute little emoji poop. Some Five Nights at Freddy's. I love the lip balm, the Shopkins, everything. And you guys can leave me a comment and let me know out of all the surprises we got, which one was your favorite. This was one of the best times ever. I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we are gonna have so many more fun shows coming up. This is Bubble Pop Kids. You can click this big red subscribe button here and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.